Hi guys, this is Raul from Raul Signature Homes EXP Realty. Today I am with SONNY Aguilera. SONNY, thank you very much. We are here in these beautiful offices. And so SONNY is the branch manager of Finance of America. And I came here driving from the peninsula to talk about SONNY because I found out that he is one of the experts, almost California wide, regarding buying a house with 0% down payment. So, SONNY, first of all, thank you for this time.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the that program?
Right. So the Cal HFA Equity Builder program was designed to help median income families to purchase a home. So the theory behind it is they will give you 10% that is at a 0% interest rate that can be forgiven, which is fully forgiven, not have to be paid back after 5 years. So what that does is that allows you to use that 10% for down payment. You can use part of it for down payment and closing. You can even use part of it for down payment to buy out the private mortgage insurance and to also help with the closing. The thought process behind it is to get the most benefit of the program you can. So the program, again, is designed to help people get into homes that make under a certain income limit, but also to let them keep that equity of what they're given after 5 years. So, for example, if the program helps you with $60,000, after 5 years, and you decide to sell that property, that $60,000 you get to keep. Okay, so to me, it's a great deal, and it can definitely help people bridge the gap that don't have a lot of money, or maybe need that extra push where they have some money but not enough to get into a home. So it's a great program.
SONNY, which are the advantages or disadvantages of buying a house with 0% down payment?
Well, with this particular program, it gives you kind of a below market rate because the rates are pretty close to like 5.125, which is pretty good rate still compared to normal rates, and you're not as susceptible to credit score hikes. Like most conventional loans, when you do a traditional 5% or 10% down loan, the rate varies from a 700 credit score to a 760. 760 being the betterment of the credit score and a 700 being the lower. Not only that, but the PMI cost is actually higher as well. So with this program, whether you're at 700 or 800, the rate you get is unilateral. Okay. Also, the benefit of that is the PMI factor is a lot less because they use the low income PMI factor. So the cost of getting PMI is about 40 to 50% less depending on how you manipulate the program. So therefore, it also puts more money in your pocket per month or gives you more buying power with the program. So it has a lot of benefits to it.
Okay, so and exactly something that I understood about this program is that we have to be taking care of how much we are getting income-wise,
right,
and also what we want to buy, because there are some limits. Can you just tell us something about that?
So the limits are just based on the income limits per county. So whichever county you choose to buy in, there's a grid that we send you when we email you the information, and in that grid you can look up the different income limits for different counties. So whether it's Solano or whether it's Stanislaus or whether it's Santa Clara, you can look up and see if you qualify in those areas. Okay, so that does give you the opportunity to know for yourself. Now, this program is not based on household income. Okay, it's based on applicants' income only. So if you have 3 people in the house and your combined income is greater than the income limit, you can remove one person and just use 2 people on the loan and on the financing only and still qualify for the program.
Even though you have a husband and wife filing jointly their taxes?
Yes. So for example, like what we've done is that we have a husband, say for example in Santa Clara, that makes $110,000 a year and the wife makes 75. So combined, they make too much money. However, if we qualify the husband by himself, he can still qualify for the program. We don't have to exclude the wife, even though they file income taxes jointly. What we're determining our underwriting on is based on only the applicants that are applying for the program. So it can be 1 applicant, it can be 3, it doesn't matter. We try to manipulate it any way we can to get the best use of the program for each particular borrower as they come to us.
And do they get a good interest rate?
Yes, well, the rates right now in the low fives, and the average rate for a 30-year fix today, as I saw on the ticker here on our TV, was 5.45%. So the rates are below market for the most part, yes. And again, they get to secure that rate for the long term.
Okay, Sonny, so it has been very clear. Something that I realized, and that it's I didn't understand quite well the 0% down payment, but means that the somebody applying for that is gonna get that 10% down payment either for closing costs or down payment,
Right.
and it's gonna be forgivable,
Correct.
which is gonna be really good. So okay, Sonny, thank you very much for this information. And
thank you for your
where
time.
can people contact you?
Yes, you can contact me at 209-986-2616, or sonny.aguilera@financeofamerica.com is my email address. Please text me for the fastest results because we are getting a lot of inquiries regarding the
I
program.
can tell you, like, he's very quick texting. I called him, he didn't pick up the phone, but as soon as I texted him, he just right away just answered me.
And I will always respond by text whenever I'm available. So if it's later in the evening or after hours, text is always best. I really do recommend that, please.
And just to make sure, because I just make a lot of research about this 0% down payment for a few of my clients. And I can tell you the name of SONNY Aguilera appear everywhere because
Yes.
you have to be certified.
Yes, and I'm
by
the
the
only
state.
the only approved Cali HFA loan officer in all 6 Bay Area counties, and I've been working with Cali HFA now for over 10 years.
So we are talking a very specialist a professional. And also I'm going to just put his information just down below. If you want to just contact him, that will be really good.
Please
okay.
feel free.
Okay.
Thank you again.
Thank you again. Thank
All right.
you. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Have a great day. Thank you.